Hey guys, how are you? This is me Ahmad Faraz and you're watching my channel MyTechGuru. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can click DSLR like photos on your Android smartphone. So let's get started. Friends, first we have to download an application called Google Camera, which I have provided the link in the description. So first we have to open it, and then after opening it we have to slide and then click on lens blur. After when we click on lens blur, we have to focus on the target. We have to click on the target and then click a photo and then swipe up. Friends, then we have to click on the photo and then the image will take some time in processing. As you can see, it will, after processing, it will start rendering, and it might take around 30 to 40 seconds, as you can see. And so friends, as you can see, the rendering is going to as you can see, the rendering has been completed, and as you can see, the background has been blurred. If you want to change the blur settings, then you can click on the button downwards and then slide according to your requirements. As you can see, I think this is perfect, and after this we have to click on done. After we click on done, it will again render, and after rendering it will be saved on your gallery. So you can go to your gallery and retrieve this image from there. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure that you subscribe to it, and please like this video, and if you have any suggestions or comments, then comment it below.